Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, guess what? Yeah, FedEx just came by for a visit. Yeah, so we just took delivery of a little something.
I think it's working. I hope it's working. We're gonna find out. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. It's your girl. So today, Dad, I don't like it. Scratch it. Scratch it. Cut this out, Dad. Hey guys, welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. It's Emma here. So this morning has somehow entrusted me with putting together this new trike we have back here. I don't feel like I have the specific qualifications to do so yet. We're gonna try anyway. So we have a Velotric Triker. God. Ow! Ugh. Definitely gonna go on like the top list of stupidest things I've had to do. Not the bike. I mean finding my nail. Riding these now. I've gotten so used to the recumbent, or like semi-recumbent.
Semi-recumbent where your feet are out in front of you. Watch this car coming.
Mm-hmm. Should I turn my helmet on? No, because I have the microphone. I'm fine.
Yeah, and I don't have a helmet on, so. Hey guys, Richard here, and here goes Emma for the very first ride on the Velotric Triker. Yeah, by the time you guys see this video, we will have had this for a few weeks secretly. But we just got it assembled, and assembly went together just fine. I'll tell you what, I'm really excited for this one because Velotric is known for producing some really good quality bikes and trikes. No, excuse me, really good quality bikes, and this will be their very first trike. Very good quality components, got some really neat features we'll talk about in the full review. This very easily could be the next best thing in trikes for 2025. If you're going to be buying a trike soon, don't. Just don't until you take a closer look at this one right here, because this is super, super nice.
We gotta figure out how to turn the beginner thing off. It's terrible.
So the beginner thing keeps you in what speed?
I was having a hard time even getting it into like 9.
To 9 miles an hour?
It was in like 8.
8 miles an hour in beginner speed?
And that was me pedaling my little tail off.
Well, okay. You're pedaling fast because you're in 1, so you need to... Maybe we need to learn you how to ride the bike.
Shut up.
So, put it up in. Put it up here, and you won't be pedaling so hard.
But it's not going to help it go faster.
Trust me. All right, there she goes. I hear a rattle. Now, I don't know if she's speaking. She's wearing a microphone, so I'll just be quiet in case she is. Come on. I'm not going to record you.
You can go ahead.
I'll take you. I am, but I'll take you out of the video. You're okay. Good. How are you doing? All right. Thank you.
We still need to turn the beginner thing off.
I don't know how to turn the beginner thing off. You cut off the little tag that was dangling from the here. And that
I didn't cut no tag off.
I didn't cut no tag off, did he?
You cut the tags off.
There was some tags, and one of them was...
You cut the tags off.
Who cut the tag off?
You!
Oh my gosh.
The only thing I took off was the little like protector on here that was talking about the warranty and how to set it up.
Press the mode button. Hold it, get into the menu. And scroll down. Let's see if there's something in there.
Beginner mode.
Yeah, right there.
Select.
On. Off.
There we go.
You figured it out yourself. You didn't have to read this little tag that you cut off.
Oh, I told you I didn't need to.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go see what it'll do. What else are you messing with?
Oh, I was just looking at what there is. There's horn toggle. There's turn signal, something another. Throttle limited. We don't want
limitations.
A limited throttle on beginner mode. The throttle limited. If you to turn off, please turn off beginner mode. I did. What do you mean turn off beginner mode?
Oh, turn it off again.
Oh, I have to save it.
You
or
have to
something.
hit the save button, which is M. That's it. Hey, I don't know if Emma's been talking or not, but I had the camera turned off and I just turned it back on. She's got a rattle. She rattles. What's rattling?
I have no clue. It's back here though. It's gotta be.
It's probably. Drive forward a little bit. Yeah, we have a rattle in here. We may have to do something to. Other than that, other than the noise it's making, how's it riding?
It's riding great. It's just not going as fast as I feel like it should. What's the max on it?
20.
It's only going like 10. I think I got it up to 15 with like throttle and all that.
You know what? We may have to go in and change the speed setting too. I bet there's a speed setting in there.
Okay, well let's look at that. Let me get out of the road. It smells like dog doo-doo.
Come on, Emma. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, it takes off pretty fast.
Yeah.
You got that beginner mode off.
Yeah.
We got the rattle out because the fender was rubbing on the tire a little bit. There she goes. Yeah, gone. Guys, it is stupid hot today. Crazy, crazy hot. We're out here in the mid-afternoon, hot scorching sun. Because we just had to try this Velotric Triker out. Yeah, we did. Where's she at? She's gone. She's not coming back. Yeah, maybe we should go look for her. Hopefully she didn't go topple over, huh? Well, hey, we'll do a stability test on this thing. We're going to do a full review on this thing here real soon. I'll bring you all the specs, all the neat little features. This trike has some really neat little features, and we're going to share those with you. Yeah, this is a well-done trike. Guys, this trike replaces Mooncool, replaces the Electric XP. Okay, you're going to spend just a little bit more, but it's a similar size. It's a lot better. A lot better.
A lot better. It's nice.
Like it?
Yeah.
Super.
I feel like the only thing, and maybe it's just me, is maybe it wouldn't do very well on the stability test. Because I feel like when I'm turning, it's a little...
I noticed when I was just sitting on it in the garage, it felt like it was a little...
It's a little, yeah.
A little wiggly. That might be a problem.
That's the only thing.
Well,
so
the only thing so far that I don't like are these stupid little mirrors.
Yeah.
Those mirrors are just like way
really
too...
dinky, really tiny.
Really small. I would like to put our Briskmore mirrors on there.
Which is simple enough.
The other components are super nice though.
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, there's Emma's review.
Yep.
She likes it. Not sure about the stability test. We'll see how that works out in the full review.
All right, guys, we'll demonstrate more in just a moment, but this trike has a beginner mode, and the beginner mode allows you to ride just a little bit slower, and currently we're in the beginner mode, but we're right now just in pedal assist 1, and we're out here doing about 4.5 miles per hour, and you can see that the wheels are staying on the ground. Everything's looking good, right? Now I am having a counterbalance. You'll see that I'm leaning a little bit inside the circle just to shift my weight a little bit to make sure the wheels don't come off the ground. But overall, the trike is built well, and I'd say it's pretty stable. It is stable, more stable than most. But again, you got to learn to do that counterbalance.
Guys, stick around, subscribe, be looking for those other videos because we're going to be releasing them here pretty quick.
Bye.